Welcome to Credit Gyan series. Today we are going to talk on 6 reasons behind low credit score. You must know the importance of good credit score in your life, especially financial life. But have you ever thought about what makes your credit score go low? Your credit score is the main factor which makes you either high risk or a low risk profile in terms of lending your credit. Whatever mistakes you do with your financials will be directly reflected on your credit report, which shall further result in a low credit score. So, it is necessary to check your credit score every now and then. A higher credit score will not only benefit you in the present but shall also be useful for your future plans. To correct or maintain your existing credit score, you should know the reasons which affected your credit score and work on them, which will give you a range of benefits. Let's check upon the reasons that shall result in a lower credit score. Your payment was more than 30 days late. Payment history is one of the major reasons behind a poor credit score. When you pay your loan late or your credit card payment is more than 30 days past due date, the same will be reported to the credit bureaus and it will be reflected on your credit report in the form of low credit score. Once the late payment remark hits your credit report, your credit score will drop. You have a high balance on one or more credit cards. Paying on time your credit card payment is important, but you also need to think about the balance you carry on each credit card because your credit utilization ratio is also an important factor which has its own impact on determining your score. In simple language, credit utilization ratio means the portion of your credit limit you actually use. It is figured on both overall and per card basis. Aim to use no more than 30% of your credit limit on any card because the base score goes to those who use less than that. You have outstanding or overdue debt. Make sure you pay all your outstanding debts. When you have unpaid dues or outstanding debts showcased on your credit report, it has a reflection over your credit score. Hence, it is advisable to pay off all your outstanding debts, no matter how small the amount. You made multiple inquiries for credit. Whenever you put new inquiries, or rather say multiple inquiries with multiple or single lending institutions, that information is added to your credit report, which affects your credit score. You would know that your new credit inquiry makes up 10% of your credit score. Multiple inquiries show that you are credit hungry and lenders consider you as a high risk profile. Thus, you end up being denied for credit. Not only you are not approved for the current loan, but also your chances for future loan are affected, as multiple inquiries will also affect your credit score. Thus, this will have two drawbacks. Your credit card was closed or cancelled. You have heard right that closing your credit card can hurt your credit score, especially if your credit card has a balance or more available credit than your other credit cards. It is possible that your credit card issuer can cancel your credit card, which will impact your credit score. Your bankruptcy fell off your credit report. People generally avoid filing bankruptcy just because that has a high impact on credit score and on credit. They suffer a lot with debt for months, even years, and still end up filing bankruptcy. Unfortunately, credit score is more affected when you file bankruptcy, but it does not mean that you should avoid it. It is impossible to arrive at a decision or predict how much bankruptcy affects your credit score. But remember that all bankruptcies are not the same, so we cannot expect similar results for individual or business bankruptcies. The best option is debt repayment, which can lower the chances of affecting credit score and can be done by paying your own debt, entering a debt management plan through credit counseling organizations, consolidating settling, filing bankruptcy. We hope this will help you to avoid the mistakes which can cause your credit score to be low. For more details, any suggestions, advice, call or miss call on the number given in description box. Thank you.